How to fix Google Maps location not updating. First, check the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If not, what you have to do is simply try checking for the location settings on your device. Open the settings of your device. Scroll down. Find the option for location and tap on it. Make sure the option for use location is toggled on. Tap on this button in order to toggle it on. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. If not, check the location access for Google Maps. You'll be able to find this option for app location permissions. Tap on it. Make sure the permission for location is granted to Google Maps. If not, find the application for Google Maps and tap on it. Tap on the option Allow all the time. Once you do that, your problem should be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you have to do is simply go back. Try clearing the cache of Google Maps. For that, tap on the option Storage that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option Apps. Find the application for Google Maps and tap on it. Once you do that, tap on the option Clear Cache. After that, your problem should be fixed. Now the location will be updated on Google Maps. Like this, you can fix Google Maps not updating location. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.